my dear soul. A man often makes a very big mistake. He keeps wondering what the easiest way is to attract a woman. He changes his clothes, he adjusts his appearance, he modifies the way he speaks. Yet even after all that, he still fails to understand why some women become deeply drawn to certain men, while others, despite trying their hardest, never manage to earn a place in a woman's heart. The reason is simple, yet profound. Attraction has less to do with the face and far more to do with consciousness. And today I want to share something deeply important with you. The woman you constantly try to impress, to convince, to chase, she never truly comes toward you. But the man who carries a quiet strength within himself, women are naturally drawn to him, without him even asking. Do you know why? Because a woman is influenced less by words and more by energy. When a man is constantly seeking attention, constantly sending messages, constantly trying to prove himself, a woman begins to notice the lack within him. But when a man is so engaged in his own life, so balanced within himself, that his happiness does not depend on anyone else, a different kind of attraction begins to form around him. And here's something strange, yet true. A woman may forget the man who gave her many gifts, but she rarely forgets the man who made her feel something real in his presence. Gifts create temporary impressions, but experiences turn into lasting memories. And human beings don't remember things. They remember how they felt. You must have noticed this. Some men are not exceptionally handsome. They are not extremely wealthy either. Yet women enjoy being around them. Why? Because being with them feels good. And every human being is naturally drawn back to the place where they once felt good. This is the first rule of attraction. A woman may not remember your face in detail, but she will always remember how she felt when she was with you. If she feels pressure around you, she will slowly distance herself. But if she feels freedom with you, she will return on her own. Because love does not grow in control. Love blossoms in freedom. And this is where most men go wrong. The moment they start liking a woman, they build their entire world around her. Their happiness depends on her. Their mood depends on her. Their confidence depends on her. And slowly, the woman begins to feel suffocated, because no one wants to become someone else's entire world. Every person desires a partner who has a world of their own dreams, their own purpose, their own direction. And when a woman sees a man living with purpose, something awakens within her. Respect. And where respect exists, attraction begins. Because a woman does not just fall in love. She is drawn toward the man she can admire, the one in whose eyes she sees clarity, and within whom she feels stability. And listen carefully. Stability does not mean a life without problems. Stability means staying balanced even in the middle of problems. Anyone can appear strong in good times, but the person who remains calm during difficult moments develops a different kind of glow, and that glow itself becomes attraction. Do you know what affects a woman the most? Your behavior, especially when you have no reason to impress her. When a man is genuinely kind without showing off, when he gives respect without selfish motives, when he cares without expecting something in return, a woman begins to see his character, and character is always more powerful than appearance. Appearance fades with time, but the fragrance of character lingers for years. That is why some people are remembered even after a long time, because they didn't just touch the heart, they touched the soul, and the soul never forgets. My dear soul, understand one more deep truth. A woman is attracted to a man who tries to understand her. But even more than that, she is drawn to the man who has already understood himself, because a person who is not connected with himself can never truly connect deeply with someone else. Today, most people are not searching for love. They are searching for a cure for their loneliness. And when loneliness disguises itself as love, relationships start to feel heavy. But when a person becomes peaceful within himself first, his love becomes free. And that kind of love is the most attractive of all, because it carries no fear, no control, no desperation. It simply flows. And what flows naturally attracts. Remember this. The greatest way to impress a woman is to stop trying to impress her. Develop yourself so deeply that your presence alone becomes enough. Grow so much that your silence begins to speak. Become so profound that your energy is felt even before your words are heard. Because in the end, a woman is not searching for a man who constantly chases her. She is searching for a man with whom she feels safe, free, understood, and respected. And the day a woman finds all four of these in one man, she doesn't need to be convinced. She naturally moves toward him. Because real attraction is not created by chasing. Real attraction is created by a person who becomes so complete within himself that his very presence turns into a magnet. And always remember, the most attractive man in this world is not the one who impresses women at first glance. The most attractive man is the one in whose presence a woman feels calm. Because beauty attracts the eyes, but peace attracts the soul. And once the soul is drawn towards someone, it becomes very difficult to forget them.